Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Leo. Magandang araw. Welcome back to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong no contact love reading. So tingnan natin ano bang masasagap kong energy sa Leo Collective at bakit kayo in no contact with your person. Sige. And while I shuffle these cards, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Leo na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing and by liking this video, sharing it sa mga kilala nyo pang Leo. Okay, at comment na rin sa baba kung nag-resonate to. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And gusto ko lang i-remind ang Leo Collective na this is a collective reading. So this may or may not resonate sa inyo. Ibig sabihin lang, kung hindi siya nag-resonate, hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo para sa reading na to. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka nasagap ko na yung energy nyo and mag-resonate na siya. Kaya, kung hindi mag-resonate, huwag natin pilitin. So, subscribe na para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay using tarot. Okay, alamin natin yung recent past, present, and near future between you and your person na you're not in contact with. Tapos, by the end of the reading, I will seal it with an oracle card, which is the advice of the universe sa inyo. Okay, so simulan na natin. So, in the recent past, for the Leo, there is King of Coins, Seven of Cups, and the Hangman. And sa present, King of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Knight of Wands. And sa near future, Temperance, the Hierophant, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, so in the recent past, King of Coins, Seven of Cups, and the Hangman. Sa present, King of Wands, Seven of Swords, and Knight of Wands. And in the near future, Temperance, the Hierophant, and Seven of Wands. So there's a strong energy of Taurus, okay, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Okay? Sorry. Alright. So, tingnan natin. Yun pala, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo, but does it have to? Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap ko sa reading na to. Sige, tingnan natin. In the recent past, okay, in the recent past, there's so much abundance, very abundant, yung love between the two of you. And makikita dito sa connection na to. However, merong parang may ibang option kasi yung person ninyo. So, dahil sa option na yon, yung relationship ninyo was nahinto siya. It was on pause. Nahinto siya dahil nga may iba pa siyang option bukod sa inyo. Ay. Okay. Pero tingnan natin, i-clarify natin, ano ba tong kaganapan with your person. At dahil nahinto siya, syempre, nawala ng contact, naging in no contact kayo. Tingnan natin, Strength card. And Seven of Swords. Okay. True. So, itong si Seven of Swords, alam mo yun, Seven of Swords is a card of deception. Medyo diniceive kayo ng tao na to. Manipulate niya yung situation. May iba pa siyang option bukod sa inyo. Pero parang pinalabas niya na kayo lang. Parang ganun. Kasi magaling siyang this person medyo magaling siyang mag-manipulate ng tao. Okay? Shown here with the strength card, tapos nakakabit pa siya kay 7 of Swords. So this person magaling siyang mag-manipulate ng tao, kaya medyo parang hindi mo in-expect na ma-deceive ka niya. Pero nangyari na, that's why you found out about the other option, kaya hininto mo na itong situation na to. Kaya no contact na kayo ng person na to. Okay? Ayan. So, kaya ngayon, at the present moment, shown here with the King of Wands, okay? You want more honesty sa relationship. Ayaw mo na ng, like here, ito mo, 7 of Swords na naman. Okay? Diba? At the present moment, ayaw mo na ng ganun tao. Ayaw mo na ng cheater. Of course, sino bang may gusto, no? Okay? Enough na of the manipulation. Susubukan nitong person na to na bumalik sa'yo. Shown here by the Knight of Wands. Diba? Pupurso ka niya ulit. Makikita dito. Pupurso ka niya ulit. Okay? Pero, I don't think you will still entertain this person. Kasi nga, andun pa hindi naman siya nagbago. Andun pa rin yung cheating tendencies niya. Andun pa rin yung pattern niya to deceive. Okay? And ayaw mo na, as shown here, yung King of Wands is a card of honesty. So, hindi pa rin honest yung person na to. And ayaw mo na nga ng ganong person. Pero, let's clarify it. Diba? Yung 8 of Swords and 5 of Pentacles. Okay? So, as shown here with the 8 of Swords. Okay? Wala. Ma-stuck ka lang. Alam mo, kapag in-entertain mo tong tao na to, ma-stuck ka lang sa situation. So, before it happens, okay, wag ka nang pumasok sa sitwasyon na to with this person. So, just keep the no contact with this person. Okay? Kasi, yun nga, shown here with the 8 of Swords, matatrap ka lang sa situation. Okay? And the 5 of Pentacles is a card of loss. Okay? Wala. This will not work. I mean, ikaw lang yung talo, ikaw lang yung lugi. So, 5 of Pentacles is a card of loss. Lugi. Lugi ka sa sitwasyon. Kaya, just keep the no contact with this person dahil hindi naman siya nagbago eh. Nandyan pa rin yung kanyang 7 of Swords personality or the card of manipulation and cheating. Okay? So, in the near future, you would want balance in your life. Kaya you will, once na kinontinue mo yung no contact with this person, hindi mo na siya entertain, kahit subukan niyang bumalik, no na. Okay? You will have peace. Okay? As shown here with Temperance, you will be at peace. Mas maging at peace ka. Siyempre, no? Makikipag-relasyon ka ba naman sa isang cheater? Di ba? Magiging at peace ka ba? Hindi. Pero, yun nga, dahil nga, dito, at the present moment, no na. So, in the near future, you will be at peace. Mas mag-a-align nga nag-a-align yung values mo nga na dun sa peace. Mas gusto mo na yung person na makakasama mo or magiging part ng life mo romantically is someone na nag-a-align sa values mo. Okay? And as shown here with the 7 of Wands, di ba? So, si 7 of Wands is you'll be ma-overcome mo yung challenges mo and malalaman mo na nga kung ano yung mga boundaries mo. And you will be firm in implementing those boundaries sa life mo. Let's clarify. Okay, 8 of Cups. True. 8 of Cups is a card of letting go. Okay? And sinasabi nila lang dito na, tama na, let go mo na yun. Hindi mo na siya need sa life mo. Okay? So, si Eight of Cups is a card of letting go, walking away, di ba? Tapos, nakakabit pa siya kay Queen of Swords, which again, is similar to Seven of Wands. Queen of Swords is having strong boundaries, being firm about it, and communicating properly your boundaries. So, alam mo na yung boundaries mo. Enough is enough. Diba? Okay? So, sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. I hope it helps and sana mas linawan pa kayo sa current situation ninyo with that person. Sige, seal natin ang energy na to with an oracle card which is an advice from the universe. So, ano bang advice ng universe ninyo? Tignan natin. Build on your inner strength. Diba? Perfect. So, yeah, just be strong. Inner strength, yung boundaries mo, ang magiging strength mo. Kasi, yun yung magsasabi na hindi siya align sa'yo. Okay? Ito rin yung magsasabi, ito yung magiging inner strength mo, yung boundaries na isiset mo with that person. And, sa sino mang darating sa buhay mo, di ba? Once na set mo yung boundaries mo and naging firm ka about it, di ba? Walang sino man ang dapat nagba-bypass nun. Okay? At sino mang mag-bypass nun, sino man ang hindi mag-align sa'yo, di ba? Bye-bye, di ba? Alright, so sana nag-resonate. Diba? Kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Muli, ako si Mystico Moreno. In short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.